this is Chris over at AceVacuums. Happy Memorial Day. I hope you guys enjoy your Monday off of work, whatever you guys have planned today. Thank you guys to all the men and women who served in our country and who are still currently serving. We appreciate everything that you guys have done for our country, and we appreciate your service and sacrifice. Today I want to do a little comparison video. So we go off of Consumer Reports most bought vacuums throughout the United States, and apparently Kenmore canister vacuums are one of the most sold out vacuums that's bought online and in retail stores. I'm guessing because of the price of the vacuum and kind of everything that you get with it is the reason why it's one of the most sought after vacuums. So they're like ranked number one in the most sold canister vacuums and the most sold vacuums in the United States. So today we're going to do a little comparison test between one of the most sold vacuums, which is the Kenmore Progressive, and we're going to put it up against the brand new Simplicity Scout Plus. This is really new. We absolutely love this vacuum. I did an unboxing on this vacuum last week. It is phenomenal. It has everything you could possibly want. So just a little bit of overall here. We're going to go over the Kenmore Progressive. So this vacuum, it does have the tool stored right here on the inside. Tool, your hardwood floor brush, your dusty brush, and all that stuff's here. And then it comes with an upholstery tool, turbo tool, which is inside there. This has a pretty large canister here inside. The bag's pretty big. It has a really generic kind of pre-filter. It's kind of like a little foam mesh pre-filter for the motor. And then you have a HEPA exhaust filter out here in the back. This does have a rubber bumper guard around the top here, not around the back or anything like that. And the cord is automatic rewind. I think these come standard with a year warranty. You have the on and off here. This power head can supposedly do both carpet and hardwood floors, but a lot of people would say they use mostly this head for the hardwood or for the carpet. It does have a telescopic wand. Overall, it does have everything that you would need in a vacuum. Now, the one thing that I do notice in here, that this has a check bag. I think this light comes on apparently when the bag is full, which is pretty good. So we're going to move over to this one. So the Simplicity Scout. This has a very open, solid case. It's not really flimsy and plasticky. I noticed this one kind of, when you open it up, it kind of, I don't know, it just seems a little flimsy. This is more snug and secure. It has a nice HEPA bag in here. This pre-filter is actually a carbon activated filter, which helps take all the big stuff out of there, but the carbon helps with odor and stuff like that. We've had odor, gases, mold spores, different stuff like that. On the inside here, you're going to notice this is all, this front of the screen is all touch screen, so you can control the suction all from here, which is really nice. And then you also have this blinking blue light, which is letting you know that the bag is okay. When the bag is completely full, that'll glow red unless you know it's time to change the bag. This has the silent technology in it, so this vacuum actually is very quiet in comparison to most of the vacuums. It has a really soft motor in it that will help. It produces a lot more airflow, but it's very, very quiet. So when you run this machine, you won't even know that it's on. This is all rubber bumper guarded around the top of the machine. As far as weight's concerned, this Simplicity is a little bit lighter in the weight. So I'd say it's a couple pounds lighter, which is nice for the people that's using it. Nice long hose, telescopic metal steel wand. What's nice about this power head that the Kenmore don't have is that this is a solid steel brush roll, which a lot of vacuums don't do that, but that makes these brush rolls solid steel and it makes them last a lot longer. You can actually control the suction. On and off is here, so you can turn that roller on and off. You can reduce the suction from here, so you can raise it and lower it, and then you can also turn that roller completely on and off for hardwood floors and for carpet, which is a really nice feature. It does have a nice LED light. This does have a big HEPA exhaust at the bottom, so everything that comes out of this vacuum is going to be nice, clean, fresh air. Today we're also going to do a suction test. So this gauge right here, I'll get a little closer. This gauge measures the suction, or how much airflow is coming out of that vacuum and how much suction it has. So what we're going to do is show you guys firstly on the Kenmore here. I'm going to pop this hose off. All right. And we're going to go ahead and turn this on. We're going to put it at max suction. And then we're going to test the gauge here. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's right around 60 PSI, which isn't too bad. It's probably about your average, a little bit above average cleaning motor and stuff like that. So about 60. So 60 is a little bit better than average. Most of your other vacuums like Dirt Devil and Bissell and Hoover and all them, they're about 45, 50. So that's a little bit more above average. And I do like this telescopic wand a little bit better than the Kenmore with that pedal. It actually just has the lever, which is very nice. Now we're going to go ahead and turn this on. We're going to go ahead and go all the way up to max suction. All right, and then we're going to pop this bad boy right here. So as you can see, this is hitting almost 100 PSI, which is unbelievable for a vacuum. This is astonishing. This is very good. That means your carpets are going to get an exceptional cleaning. And when you know that this machine turns on, it's going to do the job, it's going to pick the dirt up, and it's going to do a phenomenal job of cleaning the carpets. Simplicity has been known over the years for having reliability, performance, and cleaning. Kenmore has always had that same reputation for being reliable, very good, very average priced. We do notice now a little bit of the newer ones, since Sears went out of business, they're not made by the same company. So the quality, in my opinion, has went down a little bit. Simplicity is definitely a good alternative for you guys who are looking on a canister vacuum with all the bells and whistles, that have suction control, that has the ability to do both carpet, hardwood floors, that can handle any type of height in your carpet, has excellent filtration, has all the tools and attachments that you need, which is a really, really nice feature in both of these machines, having the tools and attachments stored on the inside. In my opinion, you're going to get more bang out of your buck out of the simplicity. It's got better suction, it's got a better filtration, it's overall more durable, better quality, and with them being so averagely priced, Simplicity Scout Plus, I would check it out and recommend it to everybody. If you guys have any questions on the video or would like to call us and set up a demo and come check out one of these vacuums, let us know. Call us at 703-997-9292. Thank you guys.